Homeowners looking for Window Replacement Pasadena TX want solutions that improve comfort, curb appeal, and long-term value. From replacement windows in Pasadena TX 77502 to replacement windows in Pasadena TX 77508, upgrading old, drafty windows helps reduce outside noise, improve insulation, and modernize the appearance of any property across Pasadena TX, Harris County, and the greater Houston metro area. Affordable window replacement. Pasadena TX is a smart investment for families who need dependable performance without overspending. Whether you need house window replacement Pasadena TX near Strawberry Road, home window replacement near Beltway 8 Pasadena TX, or a replacement window company near Spencer Highway Pasadena TX, choosing the right local window replacement company Pasadena TX makes it easier to balance budget, quality, and installation timelines. Energy-efficient windows Pasadena TX are especially important in the Gulf Coast climate, where heat, humidity, and storms create year-round demands on the home. Energy-efficient window replacement. Pasadena TX, insulated window installation Pasadena TX, and double-pane windows Pasadena TX. Gulf Coast properties can help maintain interior temperatures, reduce HVAC strain, and support lower utility bills for homeowners throughout Pasadena, South Houston, Deer Park, and LaPorte. Residential window replacement Pasadena TX gives homeowners access to customized products designed for different architectural styles and household needs. From new windows for homes, Pasadena TX in traditional neighborhoods to custom house windows near Red Bluff Road. Pasadena TX, professional window contractors Pasadena TX can recommend frame materials, glass packages, and operating styles that match both the structure and the homeowner's preferences. Storm protection matters in this region, making hurricane-resistant windows Pasadena TX a practical choice for many homes. Storm impact windows Pasadena TX, Harris County, storm window replacement Pasadena TX, and reinforced modern replacement windows. Pasadena TX add peace of mind during severe weather, while also improving energy efficiency and security in neighborhoods near Clear Lake, Fairmont Parkway, and Allen Genoa Road. Vinyl window replacement Pasadena TX remains one of the most requested options because vinyl offers durability, low maintenance, and excellent value. A vinyl windows installer Pasadena TX can help homeowners replace aging wood or aluminum units with sleek, insulated designs that resist moisture, warping, and corrosion, especially useful in Pasadena TX and nearby Gulf Coast communities where humidity can take a toll on older window systems. Window glass replacement Pasadena TX can be the right solution when frames remain sound but panes are cracked, fogged, or inefficient. Window glass installers near Shaver Street, Pasadena TX often assist with targeted repairs, while full window frame replacement Pasadena TX and old window replacement Pasadena TX may be better when there is structural wear, air leakage, or water intrusion around the existing opening. Many property owners searching for window replacement Pasadena TX want a contractor who understands local housing styles and weather demands. Pasadena TX window replacement contractors with experience serving homes near Fairmont Parkway, Spencer Highway, Strawberry Road, and Beltway 8 can provide accurate recommendations for replacement windows. Pasadena TX that perform well under hot summers, coastal storms, and changing seasonal conditions. Custom window replacement. Pasadena TX is ideal for homeowners who need something beyond standard sizes or styles. Whether the project involves specialty shapes, large openings, upgraded hardware, or custom house windows near Red Bluff Road, Pasadena TX, a local window replacement experts. Pasadena TX Houston Metro team can tailor each installation to fit the home precisely while preserving both beauty and energy performance.